Hey guys, it's Courtney again with S&K Designs, and today we're going to be doing a Hershey Purse tutorial. This will be part one of the tutorial. This one is a Hershey Purse you can do without the use of a cutting machine or a Cricut. So let me show you the supplies that you're going to need. Of course, you're going to need a Hershey bar. You're going to need some chain, or beading as they call it, chain. I got this from Hobby Lobby, I believe, or Michael's sells this as well. You can get the gold chain. They also have a silver one, or you can get like little pearls. But you can get this from Hobby Lobby or Michael's, I believe. The paper that I'm going to be using is called Adhesive Glitter Foam Sheets. I got this at Michael's, I believe. Michael's, Hobby Lobby, like I said, either one of those. The size of these are 6 inches by 9 inches. But we're also going to cut. We're going to cut the adhesive foam as well, and I'll give you the measurements for that. I also have some foil candy party wrappers, foil candy bar wrappers. I got this from Amazon. These are gold color, but you can also use aluminum foil and just cut it to size. And I'll give you the measurements for that as well. And I think that's it for our supplies, so we can go ahead and get started. So I'm going to be using the black foam adhesive sheet. You can see it's the black glitter on this side. The adhesive is on this side once you pull up this white part. And I actually cut it to 6 3/4 by 5 inches. So 6 3/4 lengthwise and 5 inches is the width wise. So I actually cut that down, and what we're going to do now, or first, we're going to wrap our candy bar. So I'm going to take my foil paper, and if you're using aluminum foil, just cut an aluminum foil sheet. The size you can use is 7.25 in the width by 6 inches length. So 7.25 is the width, and 6 inches should be the length of it if you're using aluminum foil. So you're going to place your candy bar face down. Kind of center it in the middle. And basically you're just going to wrap it like you would a present. So I'm going to fold this down, fold both sides down. And you can either use Scotch tape. I have my adhesive roller here, so I'm just going to use this so it'll stick. Alright. And then you're just going to fold in the sides, like I said, like you're wrapping a present. So just fold it there. I'm using a roller. Now that stick there. And I'm going to turn around and do the other side. So really easy. It's like you're wrapping a present. And stick. Alright, so this is what your Hershey bar will look like when it's wrapped. Like I said, you can use the aluminum foil. And if you need to cut your aluminum foil to size, it would be 7.25 in the width, or 7 1/4 for the width, and 6 inches for the length. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and get my adhesive foam. And again, I cut my adhesive foam to 6 3/4 by 5. 6 3/4 length size and 5 inches for the width. And the first thing I'm going to do is lay the Hershey bar down here to the edge because you want your foil to kind of stick out a little bit from the purse so you'll be able to see it. So we're going to lay it down here on the very edge. Then I'm going to fold it up. I haven't taken the adhesive off yet because I just want to see how this is going to fit. And you see how you can see the foil on both sides. You want your foil to stick out a little bit on both sides. And then when you fold the top down, because this will be the top of your purse, so to speak, you'll have this little flap. So the sides will look like this. Your foil will stick out on the sides. And the top part will be your flap. Okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and take the adhesive off so I can wrap this purse. And it's very sticky. So we have to be careful. You don't get anything on it. So just pull this white part off. Very sticky. Again, I'm going to try to center it as best as I can because once it's on here, it's going to stick. You're not going to be able to get it up without ripping your paper. So, go ahead and stick that on there. Okay. And like I said, this is just a very simple, easy, straightforward way to create a Hershey purse without having to use a cutting machine. If you don't have a Cricut or a Cameo. Okay. Okay, so we did that first fold, and this is still the flap that's open. So now you want to take a piece of the chain. This one's kind of thick, so you'll have to use either scissors or probably even a jewelry cutter even to cut this. But I cut it, the chain is cut in 10 inches. So cut your chain to 10 inches. And what you're going to do is take maybe the first 3 links and stick it on the adhesive. Okay. And that should stick. And then come around to the other side. And again, do maybe the first 3 links on your chain. And stick it on the adhesive. Make sure it's flat. Okay. Make sure that's flat. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to fold over the flap to complete the purse. See how cute that looks? You already got your Hershey purse. Now, if you want to decorate the flap a little bit, I actually used my Cricut and cut out this little C monogram, in which case I'm going to glue it to the center of my purse. So it'll kind of look like this. I'll show it you guys. So it's a nice little centerpiece. But there's also other things you can put in the center. You can do little embellishments, a flower, some rhinestones. So you can use like a little flower and just glue that to the front. If you want to do that, that's sort of how it would look. Of course, you can use a different color, but this is all I had on hand just to show you or you can put a little bead or gem up here just to decorate it. I don't know if you guys can see that. But I'm going to be using this C monogram that I cut out on my Cricut machine. It is glitter cardstock. And so I'm just going to glue the back of this and then stick it on here on the front. So let me do that now. Some craft glue. And believe it or not, I actually got this at Dollar Tree. They sell craft glue. Like, they've really expanded their craft section. So you can find some good things there. So let me take a little bit of this glue. Hopefully this will stick. And we're going to place it right in the center. Let's see if I can bring y'all a little bit closer so you can see that. All right, so I'll put it right in the center and press down. You can do different designs. I just did a C for my initial. I've seen people actually put like the Michael Kors logo or the Louis Vuitton logo. You know, depending on what type of party they're having. It could be, you can make one for kids, kid theme, Hershey Purse, or adults if you want to do the logos. It's a cute little party favor. I think it's cute. All right, so that's how it looks. And this is just a real simple, quick, easy way to do a Hershey Purse without having to use a cutting machine, a Cricut. That's how the back looks. And you can decorate it any way you want to. If you want to add little pearls to it or little rhinestones on the side and get real fancy with it, you can do that too. But I think this is cute. It's a cute little favor, party favor. All right, so this is part one. The second video that I'll do next will be with how to do a Hershey Purse actually with a Cricut machine. I'll be doing it on my Cricut. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy that, and I hope to see some of you post your Hershey Purses in the group, S&K Cricut Crafts and Sublimation group. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Thank you.